forget along with the trend, you need to be ahead of the trend. And never repeat your ideas. Think out of the box. Do something different.
With God's grace, we now have a bigger office, but back then it was just a cubicle.
Yes.
It was just him and I.
Like I saw tears in your eyes when you were talking. My mind already went to my Baba.
Bro is going to be their buddy, their mentor, their whatever you
Travel
call it.
guide.
Travel guide.
He always tells me this one thing, that you are your own competitor.
Correct, absolutely.
Don't compete yourself with somebody else. But he sees the fire in me to take the legacy ahead. When I was a child, I actually wanted to pursue a career in a different field. Yeah. The good thing about him is he doesn't work traditionally. He, more than me, he is a Gen Z, I feel. And I have seen him struggle. He from Kalyan, he used to go to Pune for work and he used to come back again to Kalyan. I had a reporting. He used to leave office around 8:30, whatever his time is, but I used to sit back at 10. You know, when my manager used to tell me, okay, now it's done, he used to ask me, कि okay, आज का क्या closure है, कल का क्या closure है.